Welcome to the All About Your Teacher page. In the middle, put a picture of your teacher, or you can draw a picture and then take a photo of it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's pretend that your teacher shared some photos with you on Google Drive that you can use. If they did that, then you can come up here, click on the mountain, and click on Drive. Make sure that you're in Shared with Me. And then I have a folder called Photos of the Class. What's cool about this is if you were just using this folder, it'll come back up and show it to you again. Or you can go back one by clicking. Here's the Shared with Me, Photos of the Class. If you have a picture of your teacher in here, click it and click Insert. And then you can put your picture like that. If you don't have a picture of your teacher, something really cool is that you can draw a picture at home on a piece of paper and then just take a picture using your webcam. To do that, click on the mountain, click camera. Now mine right now isn't working, but yours will. It'll show you yourself and you can just hold up the picture you drew and click here to take the picture and then click to insert it. Make sure if it asks you if you want to allow the camera that you click allow so that the camera will work. Those are two ways to get a picture of your teacher into this box. Here you'll write your teacher's name, something you learned about your teacher, and their character traits. These are just text boxes, so you can't see this right now, but if you click, once it turns blue, you can just start typing. I can see that that doesn't quite fit, and that's fine, but something I can do is click and then come up till it turns into that plus sign and click and drag it up a little so that I like the way it looks. You can also click on the text itself, drag, and then you can make it a little smaller too. You can change the font color. You can get rid of the highlighter. If you don't want that, click transparent and it'll go away. Something I learned about my teacher, just click and start typing. Over here, you're going to put character traits that describe your teacher. I want you to think of things like, is your teacher kind? Is your teacher smart? Is your teacher funny? Is your teacher silly? Is your teacher strict? Is your teacher nice? And remember, you can go back and you can change the font and you can change the colors to make this the way you want it to look.